Hey there, I'm Sarah with WTI, and this is my girl, Honey. If you're a dog parent like me, you might be looking for a place where you can cuddle with your dog, but that isn't gonna get hair all over your furniture. Let me introduce you to this dog human-sized bed from FZYSFZ. Unpacking it was no problem whatsoever. It is vacuum sealed, so you just have to open it carefully and let it just expand to its normal size just in the air. So the first thing I noticed is how remarkably comfortable this is for me. So the cushioning on the bolsters, the cushioning on the bottom, that mattress is made from a very comfortable foam material. The outside cover has this super fun, plush, furry look to it. It's just very inviting for both humans and dogs. It even comes with a fuzzy fun blanket. Honey was interested in it from the moment we put it in the house, but you know, dogs can sometimes need time to get used to something. So after just kind of playing around with it, giving her toys, putting her blanket in it, pretty much the second day she was sleeping in it. We love to cuddle in it. It's very comfortable for me to be on this bed so I can spend time with Honey, but she enjoys it all on her own. It's perfect if you have an older dog because it's very supportive and very cushiony. It's easy to remove everything so you can clean it, and I love the fact that the zipper is hidden away so there's no scratchiness. It's not going to snag on everything. You have to actually flip the whole thing over, and the zipper to the bolsters are on the inside. So it's very thoughtfully made, and you can just tell it's gonna last. So if you are looking for a place to cuddle with your dog, then we highly recommend this comfortable, cozy dog bed, big enough for humans and dogs together. Honey and I both agree, and that is our point of view.